My name is Tony Alford and I drive the 1992 Nissan Skyline GTR, which is the GIO car, which was run by Mark Gibbs in the day, which was in 1992. So far as the Nissan GTRs are concerned, they debuted at the end of 1990. There were 5 cars in all, one was destroyed. The other 4 cars are all in existence and are retained by loving owners. The GIO car was the 4th of the GTRs. They were together with the Winfield car, which was the 5th version of the car. So the simple history of this car is that it was originally campaigned by Mark Gibbs in 1991 in the Sandown 500, for which Mark won. And then the car subsequently went to Bathurst, for which he qualified 2nd and the car finished 3rd. Thereafter there is really very, very little race history of this car within the era, because in 1992 the car, I believe, ran 6th at Bathurst, and thereafter it was retired. So driving the GTR is an awesome experience. It's something that you're blessed to do. It's obviously got what in the time was a very advanced four-wheel drive system, but now it's an antiquated system, but remains extremely effective, particularly for non-professional drivers or just ordinary drivers like myself, where even in the dry, the four-wheel drive, particularly at the start of a race, where you've got the confidence. You don't so much have the confidence in the tyres or the brakes. The four-wheel drive can pull you out of a lot of mistakes. So it's a very easy and comfortable car to drive. It sits very well. It's not an ugly car on the track. And for the most part, it's always balanced. Gear changes are extremely smooth. You always know where you are with the car. For myself, the Group C and A category is the historic category which I grew up with. So I've always had an affinity to that category. The drivers and car owners in the category really do relish and protect the assets, which are significantly appreciating assets. The racing is close, but damage to the cars is extremely limited. So an excellent category, good bunch of people, socialise every meeting. There are a lot of Group A and Group C cars. There are not enough out to play at the moment. The organisers and the directors and managers of Group C and A are really trying to reinvigorate the category to get more cars in. The only other thing is that Group C, in terms of numbers, seems to have taken over Group A, and we'd like the more of the Group A cars to come back.